icky.
No.
I'm glad that the camera can't see this right now. I don't know if I can actually. Yeah, this is good. How do I open this lever so that I can unscrew it?
Yeah, we need to lower this so she can get to that screw.
Up like that, would they? Ready? Oh, there we go.
Oh gosh.
Hit it. Sweet. Dang.
TV's gone. Is that
No,
mine?
that one is mine.
Are you sure?
But Dad got you one like that.
Yeah, I don't know where it is. Oh, I think it was gone in the ferry.
No way.
So yeah.
Woo! Thank you.
Done. Next to seats. Pushing or pulling?
Pushing. See what I mean?
Yeah, that was really nervous. Need more WD-40 help? It's a conundrum. That's not the right word.
That is a good word.
Well, actually, I think the next thing I'm going to do is get this crappy crapper off.
Just let me know.
All right, thank you, Ian. I need those things.
Okay, they're right there.
In here?
Huh?
And sesame. I feel like these are more like garden shears and wire cutters.
Where'd you get them?
In the toolbox.
They look like garden shears. You want me to try? Try your stuff.
Okay, well, I don't know about that. I do know that's gonna flick out and Alright, got that out. Now I have to clean up that area.
Feeling unworthy and powerless, I declared the past complete.
Together when I know, you know, starlight, on and on we're days together.
Meantime, we're willing to grow. Show each other respect, we gotta put in the work.
Smells like this.
Look out for the coffee.
I know. Here, I'll get the coffee. Okay.
Keep a sacred design. You're doing just fine. Keep a sacred design.
Alright, so it's the next day and I've already been working on this side. I put the beadboard back up because I got the blackout windows done. So I will insert a photo of what it used to look like, but that's what it looks like now. And it looks pretty sick, if I do say so myself. Now I'm putting this beadboard back up, but this side I'm going to redo the beadboard. I bought a new beadboard for that side because it was just a little bit more beat up than this side. So I'm going to finish putting that panel up, and then I will get started on cutting the beadboard for this side.
We didn't agree to it. This long break in communication. Or maybe we did, and I just can't be this patient. I wanna talk to you, 'cause I'm lonely. Can you pour me a glass of wine and comfort my mind? 'Cause I've been missing you, babe. I know you work hard and I encourage your art, but I need attention too. And you used to have my back, tell me when my day was bad, and reminded me I'm wanted. I miss feeling you so close, and the love I used to know. Do you care? I'm broken hearted. I still need your love, baby.
Okay, so I am working on the flooring now. It's hard, but it's not that hard. Like, you can do it by yourself. So I've already gotten this much done, all the way up to here. I just cut a board for that last spot right there. The rest of that board will go up here at the top. This flooring was nearly impossible to get. I called 3 Lowe's in my area and they didn't have the wood. I forgot that the 4th one was even here in Destin, so I called them and they said that they had 3 boxes left, which is exactly how much I needed. However, I decided I'm going to just go to that point where I ended the first board over there. And then the back, I'm going to use the old wood that was in here for the trunk area so that I can get scratched up and stuff, because I don't really care about that old wood, so I'd rather it just be back there under the bed. Nobody will see it, I won't see it, and it will be fine for me to pull drawers in and out of, and if it gets scratches on it, I don't care. And I'm working at night because it is just way too hot during the day to work, even though I do. So here we go. Sawdust. I'm having to carry this light back and forth because we only have one big light. So then I put it up here. And it shines on my van so I can see on the inside of my van. I sent a picture of the van, of like this floor, to my dad. I was like, it doesn't look natural at all. He was like, it looks good to me. He owns a construction business. So I was like, alright, if it looks good to you, looks good to me. Guess it doesn't matter now. What's done is done. Time to open the next pack of boards. The next pack of boards. Can we just take a moment for the stars? Can you see them? You kind of can. Wow, I can't believe you can see that. That's cool. Back to business. Wow. That's gonna be gorgeous. Done. Can't believe it. One night by myself, I did it. Just made this little ladder shelf. It's gonna go right here. I have trim for it here. It's gonna go on the front, so it's gonna be really pretty. But I'm making that right now.
Call me Robin Hood.